So you want to learn how to start investing, but you're not sure where to start. Well, simple enough. I've created this little course or kind of a playlist for you guys to go through and give you simple terminology and examples, real world, of how you can start. You can start investing and start making money, to start compounding it over time and ultimately growing it to wherever you want that account size to grow to. But maybe you're not sure what to do. You don't know whether to trade stocks, options, commodities. You don't know whether to buy long term and hold forever, or if you should start learning how to swing trade or even day trade. Well, I'm going to break this down in the course and then leave all those questions, up to you, because really it depends on the type of investor you are or person you are. If you have patience, if you are a little bit more impatient, all those things will you'll start identifying as you get through the course. Now, understand, you're not going to learn all this overnight. There's a lot that goes into trading, and it is more of a marathon and not a sprint. So do remember that it is going to take some, time on your part and some practice to become sufficient investor or trader. So in the next the videos to follow, we're going to talk about how you can, what is a brokerage company and how you can use it to start trading in the stock market. We're going to show you how to set up a brokerage account. We're going to show you how to set up the platform you're using, charts, indicators, and all that great stuff, so you can actually see exactly how it looks when we start trading. This is what I use every single day. This is a trading platform I have with WeBull. You can sign up with WeBull below. I'll leave a link, and you can get free shares as well. Now, this is where all the real fun starts when it comes to trading. This is where we can make money, start growing it and compounding it over time. I'll also show you how to set up indicators and things like this. But, say like if you wanted a 57-day period, 80% profit in 57 days with NVIDIA, going from lows of 75 to highs of $141. And again, I explain all this in this course, exactly how to set it up to look exactly like that. And you can also see me trade live Monday through Friday by simply joining our Discord server, and you can get all of my past live stream videos that I have made Monday through Friday every morning at market open, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. You can get involved, see individuals, ask questions, ask me questions personally, get inside my head as to why I made those trades, and ultimately watch me make money or lose money depending on how the day goes. All right, so if you want to learn more about setting up a brokerage company, then I'll see you in the next video.